What's going on, guys? I'm just making a quick video here. Whatchamacallit, I recently just changed the both lower mounts on this SI. I got it from eBay, and you know, it's not like the original ones. You know, I was thinking I was upgrading it, and that it would work, you know, to make the car engine more stiffer, and then less bouncy, I guess. But right now, after putting it on, you know, I don't really like it. Now I think it handles fine, but you guys will see it on the video. As soon as I start the car, you guys will notice it. So it's not, the startup on the car is not like how it sounds and everything. You know, when I normally start it. Well, let me get to it now. Let me start the car so you guys could hear what I'm talking about. So you guys would, I don't know if you guys can hear it on the video, but there's this like deep humming sound, and it's coming from the bottom. So, you know, I recently just noticed it, you know, after putting the new mount on, so I figured that's where it's coming from. I mean, it's on there right. I don't know if you guys can see it. Special aluminum gray silver looking. Right there on the passenger side. What you got here on the driver's side, so you guys can probably see it too. Yeah, that one right there. So I'll show you guys what the mounts look like. On eBay it was about 32 bucks. I don't know if these were supposed to be like some racing mounts or whatever, but you know, I thought I'd try it, see how it is. They didn't really say it was meant for, you know, swaps or racing with your engine or whatever. So I made that purchase. And after putting it on, like I said, I'm not too happy about it. I don't like the sound that it makes. Seems like it's vibrating. You know, the vibration from the engine, it seems like it's just, you know, taking it all in and transferring it all to the body of the car. So, you know, when you're inside, I mean, my whole dashboard is shaking, and then you just feel that, like, that deep vibration, and then you get that too. So, you know, when you're driving around, I mean, you're feeling every movement from this engine. So, you know, that's not what I'm going for. Not going for, you know, any racing style or noises. I just wanted mine stock. with a little bit more stiffness, and that's what I was going for. But I guess these mounts really are not the one. So right now I'm thinking about taking it off, and then I'll show you guys at the end of this video what they look like. And you know, this is just basically a heads up to somebody who's looking to make the purchase, or you know, thinking about upgrading or replacing their lower mounts, so you guys can see you know, before buying these mounts, what you guys are gonna get. All right, I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what the stock mounts look like. They're still pretty good. This one was the latest one that I replaced. So yeah, they're still pretty good. There's no cracks in them, so I'm just gonna be putting them back, and then I'll show you guys what the ones that I bought from eBay, what they look like. All right guys, so these are the mounts that I bought on eBay. That's what they look like. And yeah, so if you guys were looking to buy a set like this, you guys can pretty much know what to expect after putting it on. So you know, I just took them out the car, and I'm still working on putting the originals back on. And then I'm gonna shoot another video when I start the car, so you guys can hear the difference between the originals and these ones right here. All right guys, I just finished up putting the original mounts back on. And then all the underlinings and the bumper. So took me a while to finish, but I'm ready to start her up, so you guys can see what the difference are. Okay, hold on. Put you guys right here. All right, so as you guys can hear, I mean, I'm not sure but from the video, but you guys can hear this is the difference between having those mounts on and then having the originals. So this is what it sounds like from outside. You know, sound normal. There's no deep vibrations that that I can hear. And then inside, it's also a lot quieter. You know, I'm not hearing the dash, you know, vibrating or anything like that. So it's as quiet as can be. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the originals. I'm not even sure why I changed them in the first place, but like I said, I was just looking for something that's a little bit more stiffer, as far as, you know, the engine when you hit bumps. But you know, the noise and the vibrations really was too much for me to bear, especially when I was driving it around. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with these. Hopefully this helps. So any of you guys that are looking to you know, like I mentioned, if you guys are looking to upgrade or change out your lower mounts, you know, you guys basically now have a full-on review before buying it. Hopefully you know, this help you guys decide. But that's all for me for right now. All right guys, later.